Welcome to my channel. Deco flashing red light. 1. Restart the Deco unit, unplug the Deco device from power, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. This can resolve minor connectivity issues. 2. Verify the Ethernet cable connection. Ensure the Ethernet cable is securely connected between the main Deco unit and the modem. Try using a different cable if needed. 3. Reboot the modem. Unplug your modem, wait 1 to 2 minutes, then plug it back in. This refreshes the connection between the modem and Deco. 4. Relocate the Deco unit. If using multiple Deco nodes, ensure they are within a reasonable range of the main Deco to maintain a stable connection. Five. Check for firmware updates. Open the Deco app, go to More System Update Deco, and install any available updates. 6. Reconfigure the Deco network. If issues persist, reset the Deco network in the app and set it up again as a new network. 7. Reset the Deco device. Press and hold the reset button on the Deco unit for 10 seconds until the LED blinks yellow. Then, follow the app instructions to set it up again. 8. Try a different Ethernet port. If your modem has multiple Ethernet ports, try connecting the Deco unit to a different port. 9. Check for interference. Place your Deco unit away from walls, large furniture, and electronic devices that may cause signal interference. Thank you for watching.